Okay, so this is the Our Place Wonder Oven. And the reason why I bought it was because I was looking for a combo of microwave and air fryer. And all the reviews I read, they're not great. And then I stumbled into this Wonder Oven. And it looks really good. I really like it. And so I'm gonna try, I really want to air fry because I love fried chicken. I want to reheat. I want to be able to fry some. So I'm testing this. And the interesting thing about this is it's got a steam function. So if you put just a little bit of water, and the recommendation is like 1 capsule, so I'm gonna put it there, it would keep it juicy. So I already preheated this, and I did a search online. Supposed to be 375 degrees will be good. So I preheated it for 2.5 minutes about. I have a picture of it. So there was a tray on the bottom. It's really hard to see, but that's where it would catch all the crumbs, supposedly. So I bought this fried chicken, especially yesterday, to test this. So supposedly, the heat comes from both the bottom and the top, and then there's like there's air circulation, so you don't have to flip it or anything like traditional air fryers. So I set it at the air fry setting, and I did a search online, 375, and I'm going to try to do this